Okay, so we are asked to evaluate this vector field on this path from 0 to 1, 3. So part A asks us to evaluate the line integral of the vector field, and part B asks us if it is path dependent. We're going to do part B first since that's a little easier, and we can check it without using part A. For a vector field to be path independent, that means its curl has to be 0 and it's conservative. So let's check if the curl is 0. 6xy, 5y squared. And this gives us 0 minus, sorry, that's meant to be 0. 0 minus 6x, which is not equal to 0. So the curl is not 0, so the vector field is not conservative, so it's not path independent. So for part B, you can say not path independent. And that, unfortunately, for part A, that means that we do have to evaluate the integral on this path. So the first thing we're going to do is that for f.dr, we're going to have to parameterize to find dr. Our curve was y equals 3x squared. So we can parameterize x to be t, and then y is 3t squared. This goes from 0, 0 to 1, 3, which means that our t lies from 0 to 1. Okay. This gives us our path is t 3t squared, which means that dr dt, again, we're looking for dr, is 1/6t. So dr equals 1/6t times dt. Okay, so now we can actually start evaluating the integral. We have f dot 1/6t dt, and of course we know what f is. F is 6xy, 5y squared. But we're going to need to plug in our parameterizations for that so that we can get it all in terms of t. And of course, t runs from 0 to 1, so you can't forget our bounds. Right. So x is t and y is 3t squared. So that would make this 18t cubed and 5y squared. If we plug in 3t squared, then we get 45t to the 4th, I believe. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Dot 1/6t dt, and then we can dot it. I'm sorry about my handwriting. But 18t cubed plus 45t, that's 270t to the 5th dt. And then this is a pretty simple integral. You get 18 over 4t to the 4th plus 270 divided by 6 is 45. Yeah, 45t to the 6th, running from 0 to 1, which gives us 18 over 4 plus 45, which is the same thing as 9 over 2 plus 90 over 2, which is 99 over 2, which is our final answer for part A. So our answers are A, 99 over 2, B, not path independent. Thank you.